Hi students. Today let us discuss the division algorithm of polynomials. From my previous video you have obtained the method of dividing one polynomial by another polynomial. Consider an example. Divide 3x square plus 2x plus 1 by x plus 1. From my previous video you have learned that both the dividend and the divisor should be in the standard form. Here in the question itself it is a standard form. Here the dividend is a second degree polynomial, that means a quadratic polynomial. So highest degree is 2. First term itself 3x square, that's the highest degree term. Second term is the x term, that means degree is 1, and the last term is constant term, so it is in the standard formula polynomial. So we can directly write as 3x square plus 2x plus 1. If it is not in the standard form, we have to arrange it and make it in the standard form. Then the divisor is x plus 1, that is also in the standard form, that's a linear polynomial, that is also in the standard form, so we can write x plus 1 itself. Now we are going to divide these two polynomials, and the method is we have to take the first term in the dividend and divisor, then divide it. We can do that working in the working column. That means 3x square divided by x. 3, in the numerator the coefficient is 3 and in the denominator the coefficient is 1. So 3 by 1 is 3, and in the numerator variable term is x square, that means x into x, and in the denominator the variable is x, only one x, and we can cancel one x, so the answer is 3x. That 3x we can write in the quotient. Next step is that 3x we have to multiply each and every term in the divisor. That means I put the arrow mark, so you can find out it easily. So 3x into x we have to find out. That we will get as 3x square, that we must write down of 3x square, because like terms should come down by down. Then only you can easily do it. That's why first itself I told we must make both the dividend and the divisor in the standard form. Here it is already in the standard form, so no need to change anything. Next is 3x into 1. The second term in the divisor is 1. We must multiply with sign. So 3x into 1 is 3x, which will come under 2x. Now, in the normal division, what we are doing means we have to subtract. Here, the polynomials we have to subtract. That means we must subtract the like terms. So, we have to change the positive sign to negative sign and negative to positive. Here both terms are positive, so we must make it as negative, and first term is 3x square minus 3x square. We know that same like terms but opposite sign, so we can cancel that. Then the second term is 2x minus 3x. 2x minus 3x is minus 1x, or simply we can write minus x. We know how to subtract integers, and same way only we are applying in the algebra also. So here we got minus 1x, and the next step is bringing down 1. So the polynomial minus 1x plus 1 we will get. Now minus x by x, that means first term in minus 1x plus 1 is minus 1x, and the first term in the divisor is x. So we have to divide that. In the working column we can find out minus x by x is minus 1. That we have to write in the quotient. So next step is minus 1 into each and every term in the divisor. First term in the divisor is x, so minus 1 into x, that is minus 1x. Next term is 1. We have to multiply with minus 1. So minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Again we have to subtract. Here also we must change the sign of the second polynomial. That means negative will become positive. I used a red colored ink. Then again negative will become positive. So first term minus 1x plus 1x, that will be cancelled because same terms opposite sign. Next plus 1, that is plus 2. Here we got the quotient as 3x minus 1 and we got the remainder as 2. Next, in this video we will discuss the division algorithm. Same like natural numbers, dividend equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Here dividend is 3x square plus 2x plus 1 and the divisor is x plus 1. Then we got the quotient as 3x minus 1 and the remainder as 2. And the division algorithm is quotient into divisor plus remainder equal to dividend. We will check that. First we are taking the left side. That means quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient is 3x minus 1 into divisor is x plus 1 plus remainder. Remainder is 2. Here we need to multiply two linear polynomials, that is 3x minus 1 and x plus 1. First we have to simplify that two brackets. That means I am using arrow mark to easy to understand. 3x into x, that is 3x square. Then we are taking the first term in the first bracket and we are multiplying that term with the each and every term in the second bracket. So next multiplication is 3x into 1. So 3x into 1 is 3x. With the sign we must write. Next multiplication, next we are taking the second term in the first bracket, that means negative 1, and we are multiplying with each and every term in the second bracket. That means first we have to do negative 1 into x, that means negative x, then negative 1 into 1, that is negative 1. Then plus 2, that is already there in the remainder. Next 3x and minus x comes. They are like terms. So like terms we need to simplify. So next step will be 3x square plus 3x and minus x comes. That means it will be plus 2x, then minus 1 plus 2. Then minus 1 and plus 2 we can simplify. So the next step is 3x square plus 2x plus 1. That is the dividend. So this is correct here. So I hope you have understand the concept of division algorithm. Thank you.